Okay.
I mean, we can if you want.
No,
I don't care.
I have no clue. I'm winging it. What's a good place to put this? Alright. We're gonna throw this shit out of here. Nice. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Meep here. Here I am at my buddy Pete's garage, and today we're going to be changing the plenum gasket and both valve cover gaskets because I have a massive leak. I'm doing this voiceover because I actually forgot to record the intro because we were so concerned with trying to get it in and get it taken care of. So while we're in there, you're gonna see us change the spark plugs because oil got into where the coil packs are. So we're gonna change the spark plugs since I've never done that since got the vehicle. So we're gonna take care of all that and jump right into it. Enjoy the video. Stuff. Everything is back on, car is running, everything is fine. I will not thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks to my buddy Pete, I was actually able to change both valve covers, change the spark plugs, and hopefully we fix the oil leak that's going on causing the misfire. So I hope you guys enjoy this, fast-paced vlog style where I'm not really talking a whole lot. We're just working, trying to get stuff done, trying to get the car ready. Because as you know, Southampton Motor Speedway is opening up next weekend, so I'm trying to get the car ready, trying to go down there and make sure everything goes well. So when we get the car down there, hopefully everything will go the way it's supposed to. I can have a great time, and I can bring you guys a wonderful video on how that new track operates. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.